Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Salesforce job. First, familiarize yourself with the Salesforce platform and its diverse career opportunities. Consider if you want to be an administrator, developer, consultant, or another specialist. Understanding these roles helps you tailor your learning and job search. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a successful career in the Salesforce ecosystem. Next, focus on acquiring essential skills and certifications. Salesforce offers Trailhead, a fantastic free resource for hands-on learning. Aim for foundational certifications, such as Salesforce Administrator or Platform Developer 1, depending on your chosen path. These credentials validate your expertise and significantly boost your resume, making you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. Gaining practical experience and networking are vital steps. Look for volunteer opportunities or pro bono projects to apply your skills and build a portfolio. Actively connect with Salesforce professionals on platforms like LinkedIn and participate in online user groups. These connections can lead to mentorship, job leads, and valuable insights into the industry. Finally, optimize your job search. Customize your resume and cover letter for every application, highlighting relevant Salesforce skills and experiences. Practice common interview questions, both technical and behavioral, to feel confident and prepared. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Continuously learn and adapt to new Salesforce features to ensure long-term career growth and success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.